Flags of the world. Every country in the world has got a flag. Each flag has got its own colours and design. Let's take a look at some flags with interesting designs. This is the flag of Kazakhstan. There is a golden sun in the centre of the flag. The sun has got 32 beams, and there is a golden steppe eagle underneath. The flag has got a sky blue background, and there is another golden decoration too. On one side, there is a golden ornamental pattern. The Union Jack, or Union flag, is the national flag of the United Kingdom. The flag is the English, Scottish and Irish flags together. The flag of England, or the St. George's Cross, is a red cross on a white background. So it's the red cross in the middle of the Union Jack. The flag of Scotland, the St. Andrew's Cross, or the Saltire, is a white diagonal cross on a blue background. It is in the blue background of the Union Jack and in the white diagonal cross. The flag of Ireland, the St. Patrick's Cross, is a red diagonal cross on a white background. It is in the red diagonal stripes on the Union Jack. Wales is part of the United Kingdom, but this flag is not a part of the Union Jack. The Welsh flag has got a red dragon on it. The background is green and white. You can see this flag on government buildings in Wales. Which other flags around the world do you know? What do they look like? What colours and patterns have they got?